YouTube, what's going on? This is Kevin the Tech Ninja, and today's video is a what's in my everyday carry bag. This is pretty much what I carry with me anytime I go somewhere. If I go into the office, go into the city. Now, this bag is actually a Briggs & Riley bag. I bought this bag just because I have their luggage, and their luggage has lasted me for around 9 years so far, and it has been so good. So I want to get a bag that sort of matches the luggage, but also the quality of the bag. So this bag has a lot of nice features, and I've had this bag for almost a year now. So some of the leather in the front is wearing down a little bit, but we have zippers in the front. We have a zipper up here, but this is kind of just what I carry. I try not to carry non-essential things, but even then you have this front zipper that you can put a lot of things in here, like documents and any type of paperwork that you may have. They have another zipper right here, sort of pops out, and then you have this like organization tray. And in here, like if you have pens or Apple pencils or anything, or this is a nice spot for your MacBook charger if you want, or a nice spot for any type of charger you want. So I have this cup here, and this cup is expandable. So if I'm at the airport or something like that, or if I'm just out and about and I need a cup, this is it. And ooh, I did not clean this cup. I'm sorry about that. But here it is. You can kind of pull this cup out, and you have a cup with a top, with a little holder, and you have a straw as well. So if you need a cup, you can definitely have one on the go, and it just crunches right up, and everything is self-contained into one area. And this is kind of like a really cool travel essential that I have. And just when I'm out, I don't want to have an extra cup with me or anything like that, or you go to a place and whatever. You just always may need a cup, and this is the cup that I use. And you also have additional inside pockets too. So yeah. Now this pouch right here is unique for two things. If you did buy this from Briggs & Riley, you can get your initials monogrammed here. I got this from Amazon because it was on sale. I use this section the most. I feel like this is like a quick access section, so I put things in here that I want to get to quickly. And inside of here, I have a Air card. I have a T-Mobile Air card, not sponsored or anything like that, but I use a T-Mobile Air card. So if I'm somewhere that doesn't have reliable Wi-Fi, I need to work, I can use this Air card wherever I'm at. It's 5G. And then I have my AirPods Pro 2, and these are absolutely amazing looking on the outside, and inside I have this like really unique, bronzy green look. I think this is just like an absolute killer look. If you like customization, colorware is kind of a great way to go. They paint it. It does cost a lot of money, but I think it's totally worth it if you want to customize any of the products that you have. These are absolutely sick. Also in here, I will keep like an extra cell phone or anything like that. Anything I need to get to quickly, I will keep in this top part. So let's get to this main pocket here. This is like the main everything, like the whole shebang is gonna be right in here. And I actually keep it very organized. I have a tech pouch, and this is a tech pouch from Peak Design. And in this tech pouch, this is kind of what I carry majority of my stuff in. And then I have a carrying case for my AirPods Pro. I don't like the case that it comes with, so this is a carrying case that does the same thing. It turns off the AirPods Pro, so you don't have to worry about losing battery or anything like that. The AirPods Pro are just really great for traveling. If I'm gonna travel a long distance, like a flight, anything like that, or if I'm on the subway for multiple stops, AirPods Pro Max is kind of the way to go for me. I like the AirPods Pro, they do a great job, but having this over the ears all the way is great. Also in the winter, they double as earmuffs. Yeah, I'm actually a big fan of these. I think they sound great. Noise cancellation is top notch, even after the update. Onto the tech pouch, let's go through it really quick and see what's inside here. So I have my tech pouch laid out. It's pretty simple. On this side, I have all the lightning cords. I have 3 white lightning cords. They are from Anchor. Just whenever I need something with lightning, I have it here. This is a duo charger. You guys probably seen this before, but this would charge your Apple Watch, and it charges an iPhone, and it uses one cable. So it's really nice that if you travel, you don't have to worry about bringing multiple chargers. You just kind of like, you drop your phone here, drop your watch on here, plug in one cable, and you're good to go. And then you have charging wherever you're at. So that's nice. And I love how it sounds when you close. And it's magnetic, I'm a stand for magnets. There's a bunch of other pockets that I'm actually not using. I don't believe in just using pockets because you have them, So if I ever need anything else, I can drop it in here. And there's like a little zipper compartment if I want to hide something in here, hide something from the ops or whatever, I could do that. That is definitely here. And then inside here, I have this. This is the actual official charger for the Apple Watch Ultra. That's how you get the fastest charging speeds. If I needed to charge in a pinch, and I need to charge ASAP, I would use this. But for the most part, I don't need to charge it that often. So And then I keep this guy. This is from Anker. This is a portable battery bank. I love that it can plug right into a wall. It is gonna be 10,000 milliamp. What is nice about this is that it has 3 ports. It has 2 USB-C and it has a standard USB. It is GaN prime, so it is high speed and it also has high wattage. I believe, off the top of my head, maybe 100 watts, I believe, but wireless, awesome power. This right here is a must-have if you have a lot of devices you need to charge on the go. This can also charge a MacBook or like a laptop too, which is definitely nice to have. And then I have this guy. This is a wall plug. Same type of scenario, same amount of ports, very high speed, high output charger. Same thing. This is just if I'm at a wall. And then on the back side, I have USB-C from Anker as well. And I do have one more thing in this bag, and it's actually a just the MagSafe charger for my MacBook. I don't really need it. I don't really use it a ton, but it is here just in case for whatever reason I need it. And it's in this little front pocket inside this bag. So this bag does have a multitude of pockets. So speaking of pockets, this thing has a lot of them, and 2 of them that I like on this side. Now these are going to be like water bottle holders, but on this side, or the opposite side, whatever, I carry this guy. Now this is the big boy from Anker. This is another portable battery bank, but this guy has, I believe, 24,000 milliamp. It is 140 watts. So once again, we have the ports that we need. We have 2 USB-C and a USB-A port, but I'll use this like if I need to charge up my MacBook or a laptop or multiple people need to charge their devices. This is how to do it. I don't carry it with me often, but it's one of the things I kind of throw in the bag. If I don't have a max load in the bag and I can carry a little additional weight, I will then bring this guy too along for the ride. So then we do have one more panel, and this is the very top. And this is going to be where you carry laptops, carry tablets, anything like that. So inside here, we have 3 different areas. You can put a laptop in the middle, in the back, or in the front. I just dropped the MacBook kind of right in the middle. But if I have a tablet with me, like an iPad, I will then slide it here on the top too. But typically on an everyday thing, I just really carry my laptop. It is a 14-inch MacBook M1 Pro, and this is my baby. I have been rocking with this thing for such, well, since it came out. I have no reason to upgrade. This is my only computer, and I absolutely love it. And it just slides in here, and it's padded nicely, so I don't worry about it getting damaged or anything like that. That is my everyday carry backpack, but I also do have one more thing that is everyday carry, and is an everyday carry sling. So this is something new I added to the repertoire. This is from Bellroy. I actually just bought it because I've been traveling more and more. And you know, like ladies, you know, I'm totally getting those purses. Like I understand why you rock purses. Like I get it, but this is not a purse. This is a messenger. This is I do like this. Number 1 is green. As you can tell, I like green, you know, it's green. Oh, and this is kind of like where I like rock essentials, things that I always want to have on me at all times. So we will go ahead and check out this first pocket here. This first pocket I typically carry, more power. But if I'm going to be out for a very long time, this is a magnetic charger. And the way this works, it actually goes on the back of your iPhone. And once you're on the back of the iPhone, it then wirelessly charges. And what I like about this is that it has a built-in kickstand as well. So check this out. You can then charge your phone kickstand style like this, or you can even do it this way too. So you can like watch a video, watch a movie or anything like that while charging it. At the bottom, it also has USB-C, so I can easily recharge this guy if I need to, or I could take this USB cable and plug it into another device and then charge it that way. So this is like, you know, double the functionality compared to Apple's. I think this does a better job than what Apple does with theirs. I typically carry a second phone too. I do like Android more than Apple, which is really hard to tell, but I typically carry 2 phones. I have a work phone and a personal phone. So I have both phones with me at all times if I'm on a work trip. This is the Pixel 7 Pro. I keep it right here in the top part of my sling. I can get to it easily, so if I need to swap phones out or switch phones or anything like that, I can do that. Inside the sling, there's a hidden compartment, kind of a hidden zipper that you really don't see unless you're looking for it. And in here is where I carry my wallet. Now guys, this is probably the flashiest thing that I own that is non-tech. I'm not a super flashy dude, but I wanted something kind of luxurious to celebrate my 35th birthday. And so I bought this. This is a Goyard card holder. And I had a friend going to Paris at the time, and you know, it is way cheaper if you go directly to Paris to buy these things. So I got it for a pretty good price. I mean, I could eventually resell it and get my money back. But anyways, I have all my cards in here, and I have cash in the middle too, right? So this is definitely what I keep in this bag right here. I don't need to have it in my pocket at all times. I just kind of keep it in my bag. So just throw it back in here when I'm done. This pocket, this is kind of like, I'm gonna call it my old man pocket. You know, I'm getting up there in age, I'm 35 now. And this is the old man pocket, okay? So inside here, we got like six different dude wipes, you know what I mean? Like when I'm traveling, I'm out, I may nature calls, you know. If you know, you know, you gotta go with the mint chill. Mint chill is the best, I don't wanna say flavor. Mint chill is the best scent that you can have. So if you know, you know, dude wipes. And then also here, being old, I carry Tums. I get acid reflux. I'm so old. I have Tums in here, and that definitely helps the acid reflux. I kind of just stuff it in here. So anyways, this is like my bag. I actually have a lot more room to expand if I need more things in it. But for the most part, this is like what I would carry in my pocket anyways, and this is just replacing my pocket. This from Bellroy, I absolutely love it. I think it's built well. It has a nice look to it. Has this magnetic clasp that I absolutely like, which makes it easy to take it on and off, and you can wear it different ways. And then one more thing, it's kind of my, not everyday carry, but like if I'm not gonna be home often, I'm gonna be traveling, I do have my Apple Watch Ultra. And the reason I like the Apple Watch Ultra is because of the battery life. I mean, you can get up to 3 days of battery life. And when I'm doing things and I'm out and about, I like to have turn-by-turn nav on here, I like to have satellite on here, listen to music, do all the things, and sometimes I don't have my phone on me, my phone's busy or whatever. You know, having this with cellular is definitely nice. If I'm going golfing, it has great golfing apps, nice big screen, nice wide screen, and just all those things that's super bright. So Apple Watch Ultra is just great for travel because you have amazing battery life and a nice big bright display. And depending on like your size, like this doesn't look crazy on my wrist. Now for some people it may look a little crazy, but for me this is a nice size. But yeah, anyways, that's all I have for you today. Hopefully you enjoyed my everyday carry and all the things I keep in my bag. Kevin the Tech Ninja, have yourself a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.